needs to play hard. She needs the parents to play. Well, would you look at that? Look at what I have. Another roll. Oh my god. Come here. Oh, hi, baby. What can I do for you? Hi, core. Nope, just paint. I was making you a gift. Oh dear, my love, you're here. Sorry I was getting you a new TV. This one is broken. I hate you. I hate that who accepts me. You won't mind. I don't care who I need to cut down. Oh, repeat. Pay me a little visit. How sweet. Come here. I baked something just for you. Oh my, such a cutie. I should keep it for myself. It's only the best for both of us. Found you. Now I'm hungry. Now I get here. I will call everyone.